Today I'm sharing day 3 of what I eat in a day video, which I'll be uploading daily for the next 5 days. I like to start my day with a glass of structured water. 15 minutes later, I have my bulletproof cocoa. It's also my pre-workout drink and helps me to extend my intermittent fasting without raising my glucose levels. I have already shared how to make bulletproof cocoa. Please do check it out. Links will be updated below this video in the description box. Today for breakfast, I'm having my avocado chocolate smoothie. I have also soaked some nuts and seeds overnight. So this is 4 almonds which I have soaked, pumpkin seeds, sunflower seeds, and 1 Brazil nut. Brazil nuts are a good source of selenium, hence I try to include them in my diet as well. Along with this, I have soaked 2 walnuts and 4 to 5 black raisins. I'll be finely slicing the Brazil nuts, walnuts and the almonds. The almonds I will peel the skin and then I'll slice them. Into my blender jar, I'm adding in 1 cup of water. I'm adding in half of a frozen avocado, 1 ripe banana. I'm using a local variety of banana which is relatively small. 1 tablespoon raw cacao powder. Protein powder as needed. 1 tablespoon chia seeds, 1 tablespoon flax seeds, 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon powder for an added flavor. And now I'm going to blend this. Okay, I have finely chopped the almonds, walnuts and Brazil nuts. I'll be topping the smoothie with the chopped nuts and seeds. I'm pouring the thick and creamy smoothie into my serving glass. And I'm topping it with the soaked nuts and seeds. And my super healthy avocado chocolate smoothie loaded with fiber and nutrients is ready to enjoy. The nuts and seeds will give a subtle crunch to the smoothie. Today for lunch I'm having navara rice. Navara rice is a traditional variety of rice which is high in fiber, B vitamins, zinc and iron. I have already shared how to cook navara rice. Please do check it out. Along with that, I'm having cucumber and raw papaya salad. This is tomato sabzi. I used 1 unripe tomato and half ripe tomato to make this sabzi. If you would like to know how I make this sabzi, please let me know in the comments so that I can make a separate video. Potato sabzi. I have already shared this recipe. Now, when I am having potato, I make sure that the potatoes has come down to room temperature. That is, it has completely cooled down. The best thing about potatoes is that once it cools down, it becomes resistant starch. I know I keep mentioning about resistant starch. Resistant starch helps in good gut health and also helps in weight loss. So when you are consuming potatoes, make sure that you allow it to cool down completely and then you have it. That way it becomes resistant starch. I have given details about the health benefits of resistant starch in an overnight oats video recipe. Links will be updated in the description box below. Please do check it out to understand more about resistant starch. For protein, I am having some boiled chickpeas. And my vegetarian lunch is ready to enjoy. Along with lunch, I am also having 1 medium-sized apple. For dinner, I'm having ripe papaya and I'm topping it with some soaked chia seeds, about 2 to 2.5 teaspoons of soaked chia seeds. And along with this, I'm having 6 cashew nuts. So guys, I'll be back with another what I eat in a day video tomorrow. Until then, take care. Bye-bye.